we go.
Hello everyone, this is John with Money on the Floor Currency Trader, and I'm here to talk about my boot camp. The boot camp is probably some of the best training you will ever get. Normally it's $1,400. Right now I got it on sale for $975, but because I have computer issues, I need to get a new computer and I want to get some new monitors, I am doing a very special sale for $599, which is super cheap. So for that price, you are getting the boot camp. You are getting we're giving away one month in the trade room of your choice. And also you get all my software that's in the trade room. So this way, and I teach you how to use all the software. So that alone is worth quite a bit of money right there without the boot camp. And then you throw in the boot camp for $599, which is making it even cheaper. So you're getting a lot for your money. So to pass this up is going to be a big regret on your end. Now, the thing is, I don't think you know how special the boot camp is. So that's really what I'm here to talk about, is how special it is. Not just the fact that it's cheap enough that anybody should do it, because if you want to be able to double your account in 1 to 2 days, if you want to know if you're at the top of the chart or the bottom of the chart, if you want to be able to open the chart and just make $200 every day consistently, this is what you need. So that's what I'm trying to get at. So not only is it a great deal, which I'm definitely pointing at, that you'd be missing out on, because right now it's actually just the $599 plus you get the one room. You get the room for the month, which is $150 value. You get all the indicators, so then I teach you how to use everything, plus teach you in the trading coaching class, which is awesome. So this is where you get all your information. Now, let me go over here to pull this whole thing down. Let's go to the charts. This is really what I want to show you. This is what you'll be learning. You'll be learning, are you at the top of the chart or the bottom of the chart? Knowing what structure is, why these structures are important. What price action are you looking for to go away from structure? Did you know that from here to there is a morning star and it's going up from that point? I did. Did you? Did you were able to draw the trend lines correctly to be able to see if you're in a channel, to be able to see the triangle, be able to see the megaphones, be able to see everything that's on the chart so that you understand it? What I do is I teach you everything that's here, and now you can actually learn how to use all that. And if you're in the trade room for the 1 month, we're going to go over it all and go over it and go over it and go over it. Do you know what an M is and what a W is? Do you know that when you see M's and W's, you're in a triangle or a megaphone? I mean, all these things are so important. And how to double your account in 3 days, possibly 1 day, how to pass any prop firm that you want, having the knowledge to be able to do that, to be able to open up the charts and make anywhere from 200 to 500 a day. Can you do that now? That's the thing. This is what I teach you to do. This is what I learned to do. This is what is so powerful about this boot camp that people don't understand. Not only do you learn what everything is on here, you learn special techniques that help you make extra money in the market. How to go to break even and keep stacking trades. So if you don't know how to stack trades properly, you're going to lose money. But if you know how to stack them properly with small trailing stops, and be able to get in and out to where you only lose one small trade at the end, but as the move is going up, 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 you're killing it. You're destroying the market. You are doubling your account in fashions that you can't even believe upon. So that's what this is all about. It's knowing when to trade and when not to trade. That's the other thing. Do you know that you're in a consolidation area and you shouldn't be trading, and you're in an explosion area? So right here you have an expansion, consolidation, expansion, consolidation. Knowing how to see that, knowing when the best time is to trade of the day. I mean, that's another big one too. Knowing how to start out small and multiply your account to an amount that you can't even believe. So that's the idea. And this is just how powerful. I'm very adamant about this. It's stuff that I love to teach because I love making money. If you want to get rich, this is the class for you. If you want the knowledge to be able to take care of your family without having to have a job, this is what you need. This is a job wrecker is what this is. This course wrecks your job. It did for me. I mean, I did construction for about 30 years, and then I started trading, and I was able to start slowly getting rid of customers. Slowly. And then as I got good enough, I was able to get rid of all. Now, I only go change a faucet or sneak out a drain line for a close friend or somebody in need that I want to help. It's up to me to pick who I want to help. I don't want to help everybody. I don't want to work hard for a little bit of money. I want to work easy for a lot of money and have a lot more time on my hands. You only need to trade a couple hours a day. You don't need to trade all day long to make a lot of money. And that's what this is teaching you, to know when to trade, when to get in, when to get out. You don't need to be like right here. You made money right there. There's no money in here. Here's where you lose money. Here's where right there is not very much money, but there was money there. Here's where you lose money. There's money there. It's knowing where those areas are that is so important in your trading. Knowing that if you're in a triangle, the trades are going to get smaller. If you're in a megaphone, the trades get bigger. So what area are you? Are you in the megaphone or are you in the triangle? Because that's so important. Because if you don't know that, then you really don't know where you're at on the chart. Do you know that right now you're up against structure and that from here you should only be selling until it breaks above this and then you're only buying? You need to understand all that. You need to know if you're at the bottom of the chart, the top of the chart, and are you know at which structure levels? Are you trending? Are you consolidating? Where is the money on the chart? And that's what is so important about this. So anyway, I can go on and on and on, but if you want to make money in the markets, you want to be able to have a way just to open up the charts and just make money at will. This is what I teach you. You'll never have to buy another system again, you don't have to buy anything. So because you already have all the information that you need. It is nice to be able to see my inbox and see all these people selling stuff, and it doesn't help me because I already know all that stuff. Actually, I probably know more than they do. They're only giving you a little bit of advice to help you make a little bit of money. I'm giving you a lot of advice to make a lot of money, and you won't need any other systems. You won't have to buy anything anymore because you already have enough that it's to make money at will. I mean, that's really all it comes down to. So to make money at will in the market. Now the markets are harder. Believe me, it's not easy. That's why this is so important. The markets have gotten hard. Look at this consolidation area. It's horrible. If you trade in here, you lose money. But the only way you can make money is to buy off structure. Buy off structure. So if you bought and then you got out because you saw that was an engulfing candle, and then boom, you came back in and gave you another engulfing candle and you bought, and then it slowly came back down and made a W, and now you know you're going to explode up and you nailed it, and then here you had a big wick and pulled back and you got out, and then you waited for the consolidation to get done, and once it cleared the top, you bought again. See how easy that is if you understand. But if you don't understand, it is not easy. So, and the only way to learn it is to be taught. Unless you want to take 10 years learning, if you're good at learning on your own, you can pick it up. But why? I'm willing to give it to you at a cheap deal to help me help you. So that's all this is. I'm only looking for 4 more people. I need 4 more people to join the boot camp, and then we are set to go. So I'm very excited. I just think people don't really understand the power of what is here on the charts and to be able to read the charts correctly. So if you want the power, and I want the power, so I love the power. It's so nice to be able to open up the charts and make $200 to $500 a day. You know, $500 a day at a 20-day month is $10,000. That is awesome. So it's pretty good. Then you got to worry about taxes and things like that, which is a great thing to worry about. But right now, nobody asks me about taxes because nobody's making any money. So quit being one of those people that doesn't make any money. I want you to get rich doing this. It is possible to get rich in the Forex market. It's very possible. Futures, Forex, understanding the charts, technical analysis, knowing where the money is. That's what I teach you. All right, everybody, I've gone on enough. If you want to get rich and you want to be able to make consistent money in the markets at will, you need to join this class. It is the cheapest it will ever be, and I'm giving away 1 month of the room, and I'm giving away all my indicators. So I mean, you got everything you need. So get in there, make money in the markets, and let me show you how. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.